Welcome to Kettle Labs How to series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to automate notebooks using Databricks Jobs. Let's sign into Databricks and get started. First, in the left sidebar under the Data Engineering section, click Job Runs. Next, click Create Job to start setting up the ETL job. Now give the job an appropriate name. We named it ETL Pipeline Job. Then enter a descriptive name for the task, such as data ingestion. The task type dropdown offers various options. Since we are automating an ETL process with Databricks notebooks, we will select Notebook. Under Source, you'll see two options. We will select Workspace because our notebooks are stored directly in the Databricks workspace. Click on the dropdown and navigate to the path where the bronze notebook is saved. Next, configure a new job cluster. Name it Data Ingestion Cluster and select Single Node and grant access to a single user. Keep the runtime as displayed on the screen. For the node type, choose Standard D3v2, 14 GB memory, 4 cores, and click Confirm. Once the configuration is complete, click Create Task. Then, click Add Task, select Notebook, and follow the previously mentioned steps to configure the task for the silver notebook. To set up dependencies between tasks, select Data Ingestion, configured earlier for the first task. Choose All Succeeded under Run If Dependencies and click Create Task. Similarly, add another task for the gold notebook. Setting Data Transform in the Depends On section. Once all tasks are added, configure the schedules and triggers as required, and edit or add notifications for alerts as needed. Finally, click Run Now to execute the job manually for the first time. Go to the Run section to monitor the current status of each task in the job. As tasks progress, you'll see updates on their execution status, including whether they are running or completed. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.